Hi, fourth graders. For 11.7, we are going to multiply two two-digit numbers and factorize one or both of them to make the multiplication easier. So let's take a look. Factors of 100, 1 times 100, 2 times 50, or 4 times 25. And there are many other factors. So I can write it also as a multiplication equation, 2 times 50 equals 100. Or taking another one of the examples from above, 4 times 25 equals 100. Now we're going to take 2 times 50 and let's break it down into 2 times 2 times 25. So I basically took the 50 and I broke that down into two smaller factors, 2 and 25. There are many ways to do this for the number 100, so I can take 4 times 25 and break the 25 down into 5 times 5. Another way to break down 2 times 50 is 2 times 5 times 10. Let's do the same here with 60. I can think of 2 times 30 equals 60. Break down the 30 into 5 times 6. Another way I can break it down is to take the 30 and break it down to 2 times 15. Or I can also switch that around and do 15 times 2. For 72, I know 8 times 9 is 72. I could have written two other factors there, but I'm going to break down the 8 into 2 times 4 and then times 9. Or I could have kept the 8 and broken down 9 into 3 times 3. So you choose whichever is easiest for you. Okay. Another way to break down 72, I could have thought of it as 6 times 12. And then I can break down the 6 into 2 times 3 and then times 12. Or I could keep the 6 and break the 12 down into 3 times 4. Okay. Another way to think of 72 is 4 times 18. Again, keeping the 4, break the 18 into 2 times 9. Or keeping the 18 and breaking the 4 down into 2 times 2. So again, with any of these, you're taking one of the factors and breaking it down into two smaller factors. Okay, so let's apply this to a word problem. So here we have 15 small boxes inside of the stacked larger boxes. So let's count the larger boxes first. We see we have 4 stacked up high and then 9 across. And then inside of each of these boxes, there are 15 smaller boxes. So my expression would be 4 times 9 times 15. You can factorize these any way that you want. I'm taking the two-digit number 15 and breaking it down into 3 times 5. And then I'm going to look for some friendly products. So I know 4 times 3 equals 12. And then I still need to multiply that times 9 and times 5. I can do it again, and I know 12 times 5 is 60. That's a friendly number. And then I know 6 times 9 is 54, so I know 60 times 9 is 540. Now we're going to solve 16 times 55. And we can break it down into 4 times 4, and then 5 times 11. And then look for friendly products. 4 times 5 is 20. So look for things that multiply into a friendly number that's like a 10 or 100. I also know 4 times 11 is 44. Now I just have to multiply the 20 and the 44 together. Okay? And I can double the 44, which is 88. So I know 44 times 20 is 880.